You want to make money online from the comfort of your home, but you probably do not know where to start or what is the best way of making money online. My friends, you have come to the right place. I recently started sharing ways that makes me money and proven to work. If you are willing to put effort into it, I am sure it will work for you too. Welcome to my channel, Talent into Asset. My name is Helen. I teach creative people like you how to make money online using your God-given talent so that you can grow your income, build an asset, and finally declare financial freedom in the long run. Remember, this is not get quick rich thing. You have to put effort into it. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. In today's video, I will be showing you how to be an affiliate for 3 fashion brands that are beginner friendly. Before that, for those of you who are new and never heard of affiliate marketing, I would like to give you some definition of terms so that you can understand with it what it means. What is an affiliate, you might ask? An affiliate is a person or an agency who promote other people's product and service through different methods using unique link and connect customers to buy the product or service. As a result, the affiliate will get commission for the sale he or she makes. Commission rate is a percentage of sale a brand or a company agreed to pay for the affiliate. Cookie duration is another term that you need to be familiar when it comes to affiliate marketing. It is an X amount of time the affiliate unique link or ID stored in the customer's browser history. That means a customer likes a product, but they did not make the purchase right away. They waited a week or two and finally they decided to purchase. If the company have a long cookie duration, the affiliate with a unique link lead the customer will still get the commission. I'm sure these terms are very clear. If you think it is clear, if you need an additional information regarding other terms that you need to clear with, you can comment down below. So, buckle up, we are about to discover the 3 brands. I encourage you to wait until the end. The last one is I highly recommend for beginners. Number 1 in the list is Zaful. Zaful provides a wide selection of affordable, trendy style women clothing. The commission rate is 30%. The cookie duration is 30 days. To join Zaful, you can type Zaful affiliate program on Google. You will be taken to this page. At the end of the page, there are 3 ways you can sign to be an affiliate for this brand. If you choose to sign as an individual, click this link and you will be redirected to First Grabber affiliate network page, which basically is a company who manage their affiliate program, and for signing up you will be given $10 bonus as a gift. Then you fill the details, you will receive an email to verify your account. After that they will email you and let you know to wait for a couple of days until they verified your account and the sites that you provide for them to review. Once you are approved, they will let you know to start and claim your $10 bonus. Before we get into further down to the other list, as a rule of thumb, I encourage you to validate any information you find in the internet for yourself before you put any effort into it. That is why when I learned about this affiliate program for these fashion brands, went to the website called SimilarWeb to check if these brands worth my time and effort, and to gather other important data about this brand, and I found that they are good brands with huge traffic. SimilarWeb will give you the appropriate data about the web page that you are trying to search. In this regard, Zaful, it will give you all the information about Zaful, the global ranking, the country ranking, and the category ranking. And also it will give you additional information about the customers, demographic, where all the traffics come from, and what their interest is. So this will help you to shape your promotion in terms of to reach these demographic people, so that you can make money at the end of the day while promoting the brand.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Number 2 on the list is Modcloth. The commission rate is start at 6% and will go up according to performance and sales potential. The cookie duration is 45 days. To join for this affiliate program, go to modcloth.com, and at the end of the page you will be invited to join the affiliate program. When you click that, you will be sent to this page, CJ Affiliate Network Program. CJ is one of the largest and maybe the oldest affiliate network, trusted by more than 600 well-known brands worldwide. CJ stands for Commission Junction, where brands and promoters meet. After you create your account as an affiliate, you will fill a 7-step onboard checklist with all the details that is required to help you get going to earn money as an affiliate. It seems very exhaustive and a long process, but when you pass these steps, you will have a chance to work with a wide range of product selection and broad brands available on this network. Currently, there are more than 70,000 affiliates on this network. To validate the website, again, we can go to SimilarWeb page, and you can find all these details about this brand and use it for your advantage. The last but not the least, my favorite affiliate program is NewCheck. This is one of the easiest and direct affiliate program with a brand. As you can see in the earlier, the two brands as I show you, their affiliate program run by other company, but this one is just direct with a brand, so it has a good advantage for anyone who is starting to be an affiliate for a brand clothing company. This is the easiest, as I told you, and the dashboard is very interactive. Anyone above 18 years old can start wherever you are in the world, as long as you have an active email address, because they don't require you to have a website or to have a certain follower. They just want you as an individual or a company to promote their product and make the sale. That is, at the end of the day, that is the one that makes the difference for you as an affiliate and for the brand who's selling the product. The commission rate as a new affiliate will get 18% for the first 30 days, and after that it will be determined based on your performance, as you can see in the screen. The cookie duration is 60 days, which is a long cookie duration, so it will give you a lot of chance to promote and make money online. If you want to learn more, how you can promote the NewCheck product, I will show you step by step the exact method I use in this video. I will put the link in the description below. You can go when you finish this one and check that video, because it will give you all the process that I take until I create even the Pinterest account to promote, and you will see all the details in that video. Again, we can go to SimilarWeb web page and we can validate the website, how it is performing, and the traffic and the people who are using NewCheck products.
I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. Got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Thank you for watching. I will see you in this video next.